In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to blur background in Adobe Express. If you want to soften distractions and bring attention to your subject, adding a blur is a quick way to do it in Adobe Express. Just keep in mind that this method applies blur to the entire photo, not only the background, which is perfect for creating a gentle, dreamy look or making room for text overlays. Start by opening Adobe Express and uploading your photo. You can launch it in your browser or the mobile app, then create a new project and bring in the image you want to work with. Once your photo loads onto the canvas, you're ready to make adjustments. This setup is straightforward, and you don't need any prior design experience. You're simply placing your image on a blank workspace so you can edit it. Next, select the image on your canvas. If it's the only item on the page, it may already be selected. You'll know it's active when you see a bounding box, highlight, or handles around it. Selecting the image tells Adobe Express which element you want to edit, so any changes you make will apply to the photo rather than the overall project. Now look to the editing controls and open the Image Adjust panel. Inside, find the Blur option. This is where the magic happens. Drag the blur slider to the right to increase the effect. A small amount of blur creates a soft, subtle haze, which is great for light background reduction. Moving the slider further will intensify the blur, giving you a stronger separation between your text or graphics and the photo beneath. Watch the edges of your subject as you adjust. Too much blur can make the entire image look out of focus, while too little might leave background details competing for attention. Remember, this adjustment blurs the whole photo, not just the background. That's ideal when you want a unified, minimalist look or when the photo will sit behind headlines, logos, or buttons. If your goal is to blur only the background while keeping the subject sharp, you'd need a different workflow. But for a quick, clean result, this global blur works beautifully. Take a moment to fine-tune until the image feels balanced. You can always come back and move the slider again if your layout changes. That's the benefit of making adjustments directly on the canvas. It's quick, reversible, and easy to preview as you design. And that's it. You've learned how to blur a background look in Adobe Express using the blur control in the Image Adjust panel. Keep experimenting with the amount to match your style and design needs.